In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in ClickUp. Whether you're managing projects or simply trying to stay organized, having a clear and customizable dashboard can make a world of difference. Let's get started, and I'll guide you through each step to set one up perfectly according to your needs. First, head over to ClickUp. If you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. If you're new to ClickUp, signing up is easy and will open up a world of productivity tools. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main page, which is also known as the ClickUp home. This area gives you a quick overview of your tasks and projects. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. Look for an option labeled More. Clicking on this will reveal a host of additional features and options that ClickUp offers. It's a menu designed to give you access to advanced settings, integrations, and other useful tools you might need. As you explore this expanded menu, you're going to want to find and click on Dashboards. Dashboards are like control centers for your projects, letting you view and manage multiple aspects all in one place. Once you're in the dashboard section, you'll be presented with a couple of choices. If you're looking for something quick and easy, you might want to opt for a simple dashboard. However, if you have specific requirements or would like something tailored to your exact needs, consider starting from scratch. Both options can serve as robust tools, so choose the one that best suits your scenario. Now, you have to decide where you want this dashboard to live. Click on Spaces to choose the specific location. Spaces in ClickUp act like folders, helping you keep different parts of your projects or teams organized. Selecting the right space is crucial because it determines who can access the dashboard and how easily you can navigate to it later. Once you've decided on the space, it's time for the exciting part. Click on Create Dashboard. This action will generate your very own workspace within ClickUp, custom tailored to your specifications. From here, you can start customizing widgets, metrics, and other features to make your dashboard as insightful and useful as possible. And there you have it. You've successfully created a dashboard in ClickUp, setting you up for success in managing and visualizing your projects. Remember, dashboards are not just static pages, they're dynamic tools that can be adjusted and refined as your needs evolve. So, feel free to experiment with the options available to you. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.